Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on the internet. I welcome you to the stream. My name is Kashfi. I'll be the host of the stream tonight and every night. This is my YouTube channel. On tonight's stream, we're continuing our work through the Free Code Camp Scientific Computing with Python certification. And tonight we're going to be looking at the regular expressions and how we can use it to build a password generator. If you've been following my streams, there was also a regular expression module over on the JavaScript side, right here, and it came up multiple times in other projects. So it's really surprising how well Free Code Camp curriculum is. Anyway, let's not spend too much time, saying how great something is. Let's just get right into the work. If you're new to the stream, the goal of the stream is to complete this project in one go. What usually happens is that I work in 45-minute cycles, followed by a 15-minute break. I feel like 45 minutes is a good amount of work for me, and the 15-minute, it's just long enough for me to get up, walk around, check some emails, watch some YouTube video, get all the distractions out of my system so that I can come back for the second 45 minutes ready to go. Alright, so without further ado, if you like this type of content, hit that like button. I think a lot of folks say, it really helps connect others who are looking for this type of support. So, yeah, appreciate that. Anyway, without further ado, let's just get into this project. Alright, I think you guys can see. I'll make it up just that much. Earlier today, I kind of did like a silent Python kata where I didn't talk. And I gotta say I don't know why, but it was harder to sit and quietly code. Something about talking out loud, reading out loud, really helps me stay focused and gets my brain working versus, LinkedIn notifications. What do people want? Distractions. This is the reason I have these streams, to keep me away. It's not working right now. Alright. No distractions. Let's put that focus mode on. Focus mode on work mode. Until it's more line. Let's go. Start the clock. Alright, what do we got? Step 1. A Python module is a file containing code designed to perform specific tasks. Okay. A file containing code designed to perform specific tasks. That's what a Python module is. Python standard library contains many modules that you can import and use in your code. So that's what's a module? Oh, guess what? Python standard library has a lot of these modules. You can achieve this by using the import statement followed by the name of the module. Alright. Start this project by importing the string module. So import string. Great. Step 2. You can access the utilities defined inside the imported module through the dot notation. The dot notation works by appending a dot followed by the utility name to the module name. Appending a dot followed by the utility name to the module name. For example, here's how to access the ASCII lowercase constant. Import string, print string, dot ASCII lowercase. In this project, you're going to wait. Before we continue, let's just what did we just find out? So we import modules, and now you can access the utilities inside the module. The utilities are going to be the methods. Oh, for a long time I thought these were classes and these were like the attributes of the classes. I guess they're saying similar perspective, but call them modules and call these things utilities. So I'm using the ASCII lowercase utility from the string module. And we're using dot notation. Alright, that sounds fair. In this project, you're going to use different constants from the string module. Okay. Declare a new variable called letters and assign it string.ascii letters. Okay. Declare two new variables named digits and symbols. Digits string dot digits and symbols. The bear distractions. How much do I gotta pay to get rid of this bear? Oh no, it's good. Commercial. Free Code Camp needs this more than I need to pay them. Somehow become a Free Code Camp evangelist. These three variables constitute the possible characters to choose from when generating the password. Nice. Nice. Alright. Just before them, add a comment saying, define the possible characters for the password. Good stuff. How many steps is this project? 72. Up to 4. Now declare a variable named all characters and assign the result of concatenating existing variables. Letters, digits, symbols. Because they're all strings, the plus becomes a concatenating operator, concatenation operator. So they all get concatenated. How would I explain concatenation to somebody who doesn't understand concatenation? Define concatenation. Oh, I've said it before. Concatenation, joining character string end to end. End to end. End to end. Okay, that makes sense. Your all characters variable is a string followed by the string formed by all lowercase and uppercase letters, all the 10 digits, and several special characters. Just before it, add a comment, combine all characters. I appreciate the comments. This is one of the projects where you're taking full advantage of the comments. Alright, now print the all characters variable. Boom, that's our string. It is common convention to place the import statements at the top of your code, and additionally, in case of multiple import statements, sort them in alphabetical order to improve readability. Okay, this is kind of important. For folks like me, who've gone from one language to another language to another language, Python folks are very sensitive to how things are organized. So like this might seem minor, but it's a big deal to them. So when you have multiple import statements, just before you commit the code or push to a branch, just make sure the import statements at the door are sorted alphabetical order. Yeah, don't look at me. Just go with it. Try to avoid having that condescending tone given to you. At the top of your code, import random. Okay. Is that alphabetical order? No. Is the next step going to be alphabetical order? Yep. So we need it alphabetical order. The random module contains a pseudo-random number generator. The random module contains a pseudo-random number generator. Most of its functionalities depend on the random function. What does the random function do? It returns a floating point number in the range between 0 inclusive and 1 exclusive. Inclusive means it's generating that number, the floating point number. It could return 0. Exclusive means it'll never return 1.0. So let's call the random function from the random module and print the results. So we'll have to print random.random. And there's a random number. The choice function from the random module takes the sequence and returns a random item of the sequence. Ah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Hold on. I need a REPL. Which one is this, Java? Give me a different Java REPL. Give me where's the Python REPL? This is, I kind of wanted to check out the choice. Alright, import random. Right. What the hell? Okay. This AI needs to stop listening to me. Stop it. Stop it, AI. Stop it. Disable. Disable AI. Oh, come on, dude. Get out of here. There we go. Okay. What is a choice function from random module? Takes a sequence, returns random item. Okay. I've been meaning for a very long time, and I hope to make this game sometime in the next couple of weeks, like a game to play with friends. So let's say I have a list of friends, or cousins, or family member. Me, brother, sister 1, sister 2, brother 2, brother 3. Alright, so it's saying a random dot choice. Okay. For print random dot choice print for and use. Oh, sister 1 got chosen. Brother 3. Let's try to. Why does me get chosen? I don't get chosen. Brother 3 got chosen so many times. Random dot random. 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 One more time. Alright, this time I got called twice. Sister 2 got called 3 times. Brother got called 3 times. Oh. What if it's like a team? Team 1, Team 2. Let's try it. It's pretty much hazard tails. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Cool. Good to know. Let's get back. 32 more minutes. The choice modifier print call to use the choice function. Choice and pass in all factors. Cool. Every time the code runs, you should see a random character from all the character string. This is exactly what you want to achieve to create a random password. However, the algorithm on which random relies makes the generated pseudo-random numbers predictable. Therefore, although the random module is suitable for the most common applications, it cannot be used for cryptographic purposes due to its deterministic nature. Instead of importing random, import the secrets module. What? There's a secrets module. Import secrets. Then change the print call to use secrets.choice. That's crazy. What does it do? Should input the secrets. Secrets, C-R-E-T-S. I did. Oh, instead of the random, so I go to the random. Oh, let's try out the secrets over here. Put secrets. Secrets.choice. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this one. I need to go back to. Do I need Start again. Secrets ensure the most secure source of revenues. Right, we'll just have to take their word for it. Will it affect my scene? Right, now delete your 2 print calls. Declare a generate password function. Def generate password. And write letter code. Your generate password function needs a few parameters. Also, if you're using Python, there should be 2 returns, 2 lines between the imports and the functions. Another one was weird Pythonic things. Generate password function needs a few parameters. Start by adding length. Okay, what's next? At the bottom of your function, declare a password bottom of your function. Declare a password variable and assign it an empty string. Below your new variable, add a comment saying generate password. Next, write a for loop. I as a loop variable for I in the range length. Inside the loop is length length is a argument. Length will be an argument. Use the addition assignment operator to add a random character from all characters current value password. Password plus equals secret or secrets dot choice all characters. Noise. A standalone single underscore is used to represent a value. Oh yeah, this is big. This is important to understand and remember. Because in Python, it's sort of a way to throw out data that you don't need or don't care about. And they use a single underscore to represent a value you don't care about or that you won't be used in your code. Your iteration variable is not actually used. So modifier I variable is a single underscore. So this tells Python that don't worry about that iterator integer that's being iterated. After the loop, add a return statement after the loop. So returns password. Finally, declare a variable new password. Assign the result of line generate password and passing 8. Check the result by printing your new variable. And that's the new password. Seems all fine, but it would be nice to have a way to check that the generate password complies to specific features. For example, minimum number of special characters, digits, uppercase, lowercase letters. We're going to take care of that very soon. For now, comment out the last lines of code. Next, you are going to give your function more parameters that will act as constraints for the generate password. What is constraints? It's a very key word. Constraints. This is how you take a big idea and try to bring it, become more specific and specific. You're constraining something by giving it constraints or holding it down. That's a word that you should keep in mind and learn to understand in your own words what it means, inside and outside of programming. Alright, so here we're going to be giving more parameters, so it's going to bring down our scope. We shouldn't do it like that, okay. Modify your function declaration by adding nums, special cars, uppercase, and lowercase. Become a supporter of this channel, hit that like button, click on that subscribe, hit that bell notification, post your comments, post your questions. I'll get back to you. Put your password variable declaration in the following for loop. Put your password variable declaration in the following for loop inside a while loop. Okay. All that's saying, while true, do all those things. That's an infinite loop. After your for loop, create a constraint variable. After your for loop, constraints, assign empty list. An empty list to this variable. Okay, constraints. Constraints is plural. A tuple is another built-in data structure in Python. Gotta memorize this definition. Oh, not this, but what is a tuple? Tuples are very much like this, but they're defined with parentheses instead of square buttons, and tuples are immutable unlike this. So you have to know tuple is a built-in data structure in Python, built-in, meaning you don't have to create it from scratch. It's available to you. And then tuples are immutable, meaning they're like constants, unlike lists, which can be changed. So here we're declaring a tuple, large one true, and now you can't change the members of this list. First item in each tuple will be a constraint parameter. Modify the constraint list assigning by adding a tuple to your list. Okay. Use nums as the first item. And an empty string as the second item. Modify the constraints list assignment by adding a tuple to your list. Use nums as the first item. Empty second. Okay, it's here. The re module allows you to use regular expressions because import re. We're now add an import statement, tuple code, import re. Step 28. A regular expression regex is a pattern used to match a specific combination of characters inside a string. Gotta learn that. It is a valid alternative to if-else conditional statements. We need to match or find patterns inside a string For validation purposes, character replacement with another. I always feel like if there's one skill, well, a couple of skills, one of the skills I could really turn into a superhero or super powerful programmer is understanding regular expressions and learning how to create them, and the other would be recursion. I'm more of a sidekick for both of those things, maybe even less than sidekick. Not a superhero yet. It is a it is a valid alternative to else conditional statements and need to match or find patterns inside a string for validation purposes. Character replacement and others. Compile function from the RE module compiles a string, passes the argument into the regular expression object that can be used by other regular expression methods. Declare a new pattern variable and set the value. Alright. Yes, I passed the test, but what is going on here? Okay. There's a compile function in the re module, okay. And it compiles a string passed into a regular expression object that can be used by other re methods. So this gets turned into a regular expression object. Let's see what happens next. The search function from the re module analyzes the string, passes the argument looking for the first place where the regex pattern matches the string. Okay. So in the string, not all those who wander are lost. Then print the result of pattern.search quote. Pattern.search quote. You should assign the provide string to your new quote variable. It did. Oh. Okay. The value none is returned since I is not found in self-parsed string. I see. Now modify the string passed into L. Match. Okay, span 5 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. As you can see from the output, now your regex matches the first L inside the string. In your pattern, you can add a quantifier after a character, specify how many times the character should be repeated. Plus quantifier means it should repeat one or more times. I think on my own, like outside the stream, I'm just going to do JavaScript regular expression and Python regular expression, just back and forth, until it becomes like second nature, or at least do it once a day. In your pattern, you can add a quantifier after a character to specify how many times that character should be repeated. Add a quantifier to your pattern. It says 5 to 7, so 5 and 6 is included. You can see the same result without using the compile function. Modify your pattern variable into a literal string L plus, and change the print call to print pattern. Just search re.search pattern. Oh, re.search takes 2 arguments pattern quote. Oh, nice. To check that the generated password meets the required feature, you're going to use the find all function from the re module. And use the find all function from the reading module. Similar to search, but it returns a list of all the occurrences that matter. Oh my goodness, if I use that in an interview, I'm pretty sure they're not going to be happy. Hey, find all the duplicates. Boop, boop, boop. Here we go. Replace search with find all. Oh, look at that. There's an L, double L's, and they also found an L. A character class is indicated by square brackets and matches one character on character class. That's familiar from the JavaScript Regex course. It's indicated by square brackets and match one character among those specified within the brackets. Modify your pattern to match a W followed by either H or A. So W stays and then H or A. Character class. Now turn an empty string and the constraint tuple into a regex pattern to match a single digit. 0 to 9. Oh, all of them. Character classes also allow you to indicate a range of characters to match. Sure, just hurting my back. Character classes also allow you to indicate a range of characters to match. You need to specify the starting and ending characters separated by a hyphen. You need to specify the starting Y. Character classes also allow you to indicate a range of characters. Alright, that's what I was trying to do. You need to specify the starting and ending characters separated by a hyphen. Modifier to match any letter T, preceded by a lowercase letter in the quote variable. Okay. Modify your pattern to match any letter T preceded by a lowercase letter in the quote. To see. Now modify the pattern in your constraint to the constraint tuple to get a range of all digits using square brackets. 9. The caret placed at the beginning of the character class matches all the characters except those specified in the class. Matches all the characters except those specified in the class. Add a caret as the first character inside your character class. Let's see what happens. What happens? Add a new tuple to the constraints. Use a new tuple. Let's see. Lowercase and a regex pattern that matches a single lowercase letter as the second item. To Z. To need a caret. Which I did. lowercase is the first item, and A to Z is this. Okay. Need the single quote since it's going to be a string. We got 10 more minutes. How far are we? Okay, not bad. And the third tuple is uppercase. This first item and the second Regex bit matches a single uppercase letter as the second item. Single uppercase. Does that know what carrots are? See. Okay. So both of them are just singles. Add one last tuple, special cars, and an empty string. The dot character is a wild card that matches any character in the string, except for a new line character. Wait, I'm gonna say that this time around, the Regex tutorial is a little bit more straightforward, clear. Probably difference in authors. They're doing a good job of like introducing the Regex component, giving us a good definition and a good example. The dot character is a wildcard that matches any character in the string, except for a new line character by default. Modify pattern to match the entire string by replacing the current pattern with a dot. Followed by replacing the string entire by replacing the current pattern dot plus. If you need to match a character that has a special meaning in the pattern, such as the period or a +9, you can escape it by prepending a backslash character. Single dot. Single little dot. Become a supporter. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, help this channel grow, help us connect to other people who might need this video. Thank you very much. Python provides a particular type of string called raw string. Yes, raw strings prefix bar. The key distinction from regular strings lies in how they handle the backslash character. In raw strings, backslashes are treated as literal characters rather than escape characters. When writing irregular expressions, using raw strings is a good practice since they can usually contain a lot of slash characters. Turn your pattern string into a raw string, prefixing bar. Now turn the 4 patterns from the constraint list into raw strings. The character class /d, the shorthand for digits, replace this character class with shorthand inside your first constraint rule. /d. In a character class, you can combine multiple ranges by writing one range after another inside the square brackets without any additional characters. In a character class, you can combine multiple ranges by writing one range after another inside the square brackets. Okay, so there's one range, another range, without any additional characters. Okay. Then create your fourth pattern to match any non-alphanumeric number, non-alphanumeric numbers. Combine A to Z, A, Z, 09, fifth pattern. First character. I'm unclear about what that character does, where it goes. Combine the AZ to a single character class. So here. Negate the pattern. Character negates the pattern. Oh my goodness. And close it. Where does that character go? Doesn't go here. A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9. I'm missing something here. I reset. I'll create a fourth tuple, fourth pattern. A, Z, A, Z, 0. Maybe I don't need this. I need this. Anyway, almost time for the break. Let's quickly Google that. That's not what she did. Or he. Where is... Oh, my bad. It's supposed to be here. That was kind of dumb. But okay. Anyway, time for a break. So let's take that 15 and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.
my god, that was muted the whole time. Anyway, not much. Just saying, next stream, I'll be working with algorithm design. Thanks for liking this stream. Hit that like button if you like this content. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next stream, where I will definitely not be not muted. Good night.